Guys, so today I checked the mail today and I got this. Not bread, not a mason jar, but this. Yep. This is not copyright. Please do not copyright strike me. Please, Susan. Anyways, this is the Ancestry DNA. And I did it. And it made me, and it said I was dog. It said I was dog for some weird reason. I need to sit. Oh my god. Now I can't show you the brand of it because I'll get copyright, but this is a really cool water bottle. So and they said I was a dog. So yeah. And I mean, I don't look like a dog. By the way, this is being recorded after a day, and I'm pretty sure that's me outside. Just eating garbage. JK, ha, it's me. It's my dad's ancestry test, not mine. By the way, that was him talking in the background, and that was also James. Hey James! Hey James! Hey James! Hey James! Hey
Those red ones on the
James!
floor in my bedroom. It's on my bed. Yeah.
So yeah, that's that, and hello. Wait, 1 second. Hello. I'm not turning on flash.
Have you knocked everything on the floor?
Good. As you can see, I got the new tablet. And I took a while because I was at camp for 5 days. And I also really don't like posting on YouTube because I don't get anybody to watch my videos. Wait, was that in the script? No, I don't know. Looks like I gotta end it there. I hate you guys. Alright, well, short little video of a joke. Bye-bye.